Here we are today at transferdirect.com. That's transferdirect.com. We've been here before, but today we're going to get a little bit of a hands-on. We want to talk about how do I make a design and print it down onto a shirt using the Transfer Direct system. First thing is we have to come up with a design. I'm into sailing. I like sailboats. What I did is jumped onto a clip art webpage that comes with your package. Decided on this one here. I like it. I'm going to use it pretty much the way it is. I could drop in some copy if I wanted to, but the one thing I don't want to do is just have these straight edges. Looks too much like a block print. So what I'm going to do is use this other program, which is a photo effects program that comes with every package that you purchase. And I've decided that I want to make it more like water, so I'm going to use a splash technique. Now I know you can't see that on that screen, but what I'm going to do is save it, print it out, and I'll show you the two of them side by side. Okay, I've saved that program. Now I'm going to print it out on my Oki printer. This is a laser printer. Now you can use inkjets as well. It's just a different paper concept that you're using. Paper's loaded right here, comes out on the back side, and we now have our transfer. You can see that there. Gives it a lot more pizzazz versus the rectangle. So at this point, we take our transfer. I'm going to put it down onto a Gildan white shirt using our heat press. Now the heat press is set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We take our shirt, lay it in position, lining it up on the heat press. First thing I'm going to do is put a release paper over it. And I'm going to give it a press for 5 seconds just to take out any wrinkles or moisture that might be in the shirt. As I say, about 5 seconds. At this point, I take my new design, which we just made, I position it on my shirt, and you can bring it down from the neck about a hand's distance, about like that. Line it up. Get it straight on your shirt, put your release paper back on, and at this point we now press it down, embedding it into the fibers of the shirt. This takes approximately 15 seconds. Now with a heat press like this with the swing away, when the time is up, it'll send off a little alarm and let you know ahead of time. So if you've gotten distracted, you can take care of that. Swing it away, remove our release paper. At this point, stretch the shirt a little bit, take your paper, and peel it back. At that point, we now have our design on the shirt. But what I like to do is go back with our release paper again and give it about 10 seconds more. Now what we've done is we've embedded that down into the surface of the shirt. So you're going to get a really good wash cycle. This is simple, it's fast, it doesn't take much time, and we now have our brand new shirt. And remember, we started out with this design. So this is the easy way to do it, nice and simple. transferdirect.com. You can reach us at 866-773-9201. And with every package, you get a transfer printer, transfer paper, marketing and sales brochure, personalized website. You get a list of suppliers to get your shirts, your hats, your koozies. You get a clip art program with thousands of images, just like this. It's the same program I just used. You get a photo effects program. That's how I made these edges. Simple and easy. You also have access to how-to videos. This was how to make a t-shirt at transferdirect.com. 866-773-9201. Sorry about that.